Welcome to Invest Avenue. Today, we have the privilege of hearing the unique perspective of a seasoned and esteemed individual in the business world, Mr. Charlie Munger. A man known for his remarkable insights and unorthodox views, Mr. Munger is not afraid to voice his opinions, even if they differ from conventional wisdom. In this segment, we will delve into his thoughts on domestic natural gas exploration and production, and why he believes it's a subject where he stands apart from the majority.
Hi, Mr. Munger. Do you think domestic natural gas exploration and production is a good business despite the capital intensity?
Well, that's a different subject. I have a different feeling about the energy business than practically anybody else in America. I wish we weren't producing all this natural gas. I would be delighted to have the condensate that's coming out of our shale deposits and natural gas just lie there untapped for decades in the future and pay extra to a bunch of Arabs to use up their oil. But that's, nobody else in America seems to feel my way. But I'm into deferred gratification. The oil and gas is not going away, and I think it's just as important as the topsoil of Iowa. And if any of you said, oh goody, I found a way to make money, we'll ship all our topsoil from Iowa to Greenland, I wouldn't think that was a very good idea. And so I don't think hastening to use up all our oil and gas is a good idea. But I'm practically the only one in the country that feels that way. There's not enough deferred gratification in it to please me. But I don't see any advantage. I regard our oil and gas reserves just as chemical feedstocks. They're essential in civilization. Leave aside their energy content. I'd be delighted to use them up more slowly. By the way, I'm sure I'm right, and the other 99% of the people are wrong. But no, I don't know. The oil and gas business is very peculiar. The people who succeed in most other businesses are doing way more physical volume than they did in the past. But a place like Exxon, the physical volume goes by 2/3. It's just that the price of oil goes up faster than the physical volume goes down. That is a very peculiar way to make money. And it may well continue, but it's confusing. We're not used to it.
In conclusion, Charlie Munger's views on domestic natural gas exploration and production offer a fresh and unconventional perspective on the energy industry. While others may prioritize immediate profits and consumption, Mr. Munger stresses the importance of preserving these valuable resources for the future. His commitment to deferred gratification and long-term thinking serves as a reminder that sustainable resource management is vital for the prosperity of society. As we continue on our investment journey with Invest Avenue, let's keep Mr. Munger's wise words in mind and explore various aspects of the business world with an open and inquisitive mind.